Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. In my kitchen today, I'm thinking about having some guests over for holidays or get together, and I'm gonna make some homemade lantern oil that'll help keep the bugs at bay. I'm gonna start with olive oil that I got at Dollar General. I'm gonna fill my jar up about half. And you can buy these kind of containers in a lot of places. I'm gonna put about 10 drops of lemongrass, or 12. That's just an essential oil that I have. Waste not, want not. I'm gonna put about the same amount of lavender oil. I'm gonna put about the same amount of peppermint oil. And lastly, tea tree oil, which is really good for ticks and bugs as a deterrent. And it doesn't smell so chemically, you know, it just doesn't smell bad. I did this one already. I got this one at Walmart. It was less than $6. It's already full of the same concoction. And then you can take them out on your porch, your veranda, your patio, wherever it is that you're going to be sitting outside, and light that booger. And it'll help keep those bugs away. Don't we love that? Homemade, y'all. Check it out. Share, like, and comment if you love this. Thanks for following the page, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.